The world of marketing is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a big part of this change. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's changing how we do business. Affiliate marketing is one area where AI is making a big impact. Affiliate marketing helps businesses find new customers. It relies on partnerships between brands and affiliates. Affiliates promote products to earn commissions. AI is making this process smarter and more efficient. AI tools can analyze large amounts of data. This helps marketers understand customer behavior. They can then tailor their strategies for better results. AI is revolutionizing how we approach affiliate marketing. This new era of marketing is exciting. It offers lots of opportunities for growth. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming affiliate marketing. We'll look at the benefits and challenges it brings. AI offers powerful tools for affiliate marketers. These tools can significantly boost revenue. One of the key benefits is AI's ability to analyze data. It can identify patterns and trends that humans might miss. This analysis helps marketers understand their audience better. They can then create highly targeted campaigns. AI can also personalize the customer journey. This leads to higher engagement and conversion rates. Another way AI boosts revenue is through automation. It can automate repetitive tasks such as ad placement and email marketing. This frees up marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. AI-powered chatbots can also enhance customer support. By providing instant answers and personalized recommendations, chatbots improve customer satisfaction and drive sales. AI is becoming essential for affiliate marketers who want to stay ahead of the curve. The world of AI is constantly evolving. New trends and innovations are emerging all the time. In affiliate marketing, several AI trends are making waves. One of the most significant trends is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics uses AI to forecast future outcomes. It can predict which products are likely to be popular. It can also identify potential customers. This allows marketers to optimize their campaigns for maximum impact. Another major trend is the rise of voice search. More and more people are using voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. AI-powered tools can optimize content for voice search. This ensures that affiliate marketers reach a wider audience. AI-powered content creation is another game changer. Tools like ChatGPT can generate high-quality content. This saves marketers time and resources. These AI trends are transforming the affiliate marketing landscape. Section 4. The pros, advantages of embracing AI in affiliate marketing. The benefits of using AI in affiliate marketing are numerous. One of the most significant advantages is increased efficiency. AI automates tasks, saving marketers time and effort. This allows them to focus on more strategic initiatives. Another major advantage is improved accuracy. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data with precision. This leads to more informed decisions and better campaign results. AI also enhances personalization. By analyzing customer data, AI can tailor marketing messages to individual preferences. This personalized approach leads to higher engagement and conversion rates. AI also provides valuable insights into customer behavior. These insights help marketers understand their audience better and optimize their strategies accordingly. Overall, AI empowers affiliate marketers to work smarter, not harder. Section 5. The challenges. Navigating the potential downsides of AI. While AI offers significant advantages, it's important to acknowledge the challenges. One of the main concerns is the cost of implementation. AI tools can be expensive, especially for small businesses. Another challenge is the need for technical expertise. Using AI effectively requires a certain level of technical knowledge. Marketers may need to invest in training or hire specialized personnel. Data privacy is another important consideration. AI relies on data, and it's crucial to handle customer information responsibly. Marketers need to ensure they comply with data privacy regulations. Finally, it's important to remember that AI is not a magic solution. It's a tool that requires careful planning and execution. Blindly relying on AI without a sound strategy can lead to disappointing results. Section 6. Finding the balance: AI as a powerful ally, not a replacement. It's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding AI. However, it's essential to maintain a balanced perspective. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a replacement for human marketers. The key is to use AI as an ally, not a replacement. Human creativity and intuition are still essential in marketing. AI can enhance these qualities, but it can't replicate them. Marketers need to find the right balance between human input and AI automation. This means using AI to handle repetitive tasks while focusing on strategy, creativity, and building relationships. By embracing this balanced approach, marketers can harness the full potential of AI without losing the human touch. Section 7. The future of affiliate marketing, an AI-powered landscape. The future of affiliate marketing is inextricably linked with AI. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in this field. AI-powered personalization will become increasingly sophisticated. Marketers will be able to deliver highly targeted messages to individual customers. Voice search optimization will become even more crucial. Affiliate marketers will need to optimize their content for voice assistance. AI-driven content creation tools will become more advanced. They will be able to generate high-quality content that is tailored to specific audiences. The affiliate marketing landscape is evolving rapidly. By embracing AI and adapting to the changing landscape, marketers can position themselves for success in the years to come.